gon' make it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I want to thank all the new subscribers for choosing to subscribe to this channel and for showing your support through your likes and comments on my videos, and also to all my friends who have been with me since the beginning of this YouTube journey. I'm pretty sure that we're all hooked onto our preparation processes, studying every single day, trying to meet our targets. And I know that we all know it, but I just want to put it out there. We need to take a break sometime and use this time to do something more fun, relaxing, whatever that is to you. And this channel is all about that, because I will be uploading more study vlogs in the future, because that is what I'm supposed to be doing most of my time throughout the week. But I'll also be uploading some DIY videos or productivity related videos, which are my way of taking a break.
Woke up at 11 o'clock, I ain't got no job, what the hell should I do today? This feel like some mountain.
So that was basically me relaxing and obsessing over a piece of cardboard, trying to think of ways how to reuse it, upcycle it, and make it into something more functional and practical. And after all that thinking and planning, I decided to make this storage box for my A4 sheets and my other stationery items which were lying around in the room, and I wasn't really happy about that. Now they have this designated home in the room, and I think it's good. And I also made this book stand thing for my table from pedigree boxes, which I was saving for a very long time. So stick around if you want to see how I made these two things as part of my taking a break from my preparation. And I do hope you like this video, and remember to take a break, and it is okay to take a break at least once a week. So we are making this box using one big rectangular piece of the cardboard without having to cut the four sides separately. And what this does is it gives your box more load handling capacity because there are no joints at the base. So now you just mark reference lines and make sure that you apply sellotape at the joints where you will be folding.
So one day I'll be stomping on stages, but right now we just dancing in the basement. Right inside a basement, set is 4 ounce to it, wavy tweaking bases.
Now cut slits on the sides as shown here, and the length of this slit is the desired height of your box, and I think the rest is self-explanatory.
I just want to get some rain and sleep, shit a little free, yeah. Say what I want, then I get what I want, it's too easy, yeah. Baby, you know I'm a G, I gotta double them C's, she wanna put it on me. Used to sit inside my room, living through some interviews. Took my ass up out of school, I knew I had to make some moves. Got that pressure on me, turn anxiety to diamonds. Demons make it hard to close my eyelids. Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages, but right now we just dancing in the basement. I can't let nobody go and take my stacks. But you suspect, you can go and somebody nutsack. I can't look back, cause you know I'd be above that.
For the lid, repeat the same steps as before, only increasing the specifications slightly for a snap fitting lid.
Now my lady, oh, and she go and drive me to the mall. She like Rachel, but I ain't no Ross, I'm a god.
Now the book stand is very easy to make. I just joined these two boxes and decorated them with floral paper, and there you have it.
Told my brothers one day we gon' make it. We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on them stages, but right now we just dancing in the basement.
That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and study smart.
Shawty give me talk, yeah. Got me saying wah, 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 wah. In the basement singing la, la, la.